There is one more data type that I would like to talk about along with lists, which is called tuples. A tuple is defined like this. So T for tuple is equal to, we open parentheses like this, and we just pass elements to it. So A, B, and C. Now we can access the elements inside the tuple just like the list. We can say print, maybe T0, and we would get A, T1, we would get B and T2, and then we would get C. Now let's try something. If I say T0 and then I try to change the element to a different letter, let's say like Q, I would get an error because tuple object does not support item assignment. What does this mean? It means that once we create the tuple, we cannot change any of its elements. Now you might ask, where do we see tuples anyway if we cannot really change their elements? Well, in libraries like OpenCV, for example, we would see tuples when we are working with coordinates. Usually all coordinates are passed as tuples like that, with the x coordinate and the y coordinate. We see them also when we are passing colors in OpenCV. We would see that we pass colors like this. We pass the R value, the G value, and the B value. So tuples have some limited usage, at least in the world of Python. Now, it was designed for a larger purpose than this, but developers worldwide agreed that tuples is not used as much as lists because of their inability to change their elements, for example. I wanted to give you the syntax anyway because you are going to encounter it in a lot of libraries. Even though the focus is more on lists, tuples cannot actually be ignored entirely.